Welcome this video transforming your bedroom with a stunning wood feature walls. Introducing your bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's a sanctuary, a retreat from the world and a reference of your personal style. One of the most affected a way to elevate the ambience of your bedroom is by added a wood feature well not only add away and chapterly to your space but also create a focal point that can complement transforming the look and flow of your room. We will explore the main aspect of incorporating a wood feature well in your bedroom from choose the right wood to installing technique and design idea. Select the right wood. The first stop in create a stunning wood feature well in your bedroom is choose the right type of wood. The wood you select well signification improve the overall aesthetic of your room. Here are some popular wood other to consider. Reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood is an explored friendly choice that add a rustic and weatherly weathering look to your bedroom. It often can with unique imperfection and chipping that can be replaced. Hardwood. Hardwood such as often well charming provide a more elegant and suffering look. Is doing you can be sting to match your bedroom color scheme. Preparing your well before you are being install the wood feature well. It elevates to preparing the well popularity. Here, when you need to do clean the well, remove and dairy. To dairy from the well surface, a clean surface, arrogant and better bond between the wood and the well. Install technique. The way you choose to install your wood feature well can vary depends on the type of wood and the look your when and archer. Here are two popular installing technique. Horizontal install the wood part and panel horizontal create a model and line look. The technique can vary wide and room and work well in bedroom with low quality. Conclusion: I would feature well in your bedroom can be a game charge when it can to enhance the overall aesthetic and ambience of your space, whether you perfect and rustic model or electric style and right wood choose and installing technique can bring your designing visit to life. From select the perfect wood type to finish and main